Today in MT 5504 Mathematical Programming, Unit 4 Transportation Problem and Assignment Problem, we have seen till now all problems having balanced assignment problems, and today we are going to discuss which are unbalanced. I have seen previously, said previously. So let's see one example so you can relate yourself with situation. Let this problem. Here we are having 6 people applying for 5 jobs. So there are 6 people and 5 jobs. So clearly the number of rows is not same as number of columns. So this is not an balanced problem. So this problem is unbalanced. Now after adding dummy job, we are making this problem be the balanced one. So here I am adding another job, that is J6. We called it is dummy, as we have done for adding dummy source or destination in the transportation problem. Here you can arrange cost be any. So I am putting 0. Why? Because if you will add 5 lakhs, that is, since we are not going to give this job, to assign its salary be 5 lakh, then also we know that adding constant to each and every row and column is not going to affect the optimal solution. So here also we will get subtract, if everywhere cost is 5 lakh, then you will subtract 5 lakh and you will reach to this 0 situation. Why not go for starting to? But if you are interested, you can write cost for J6 be any, but all must be same constant. You are writing here 10 rupees, then everywhere you have to write 10 rupees. That's the only thing. You can put any constant, but that constant must be same. So now this problem is converted into the balanced one. Now you know that how to solve this type of problems which are balanced. All you have to do is for each and every row and column subtract the minimum. If you will perform subtract minimum from each and every row, since each and every row contains at least one 0, if you will subtract 0 from each and every row, you will get the same. So this is already subtracted from minimum from rows, so do not subtract from rows. So now we will start subtracting constant from each and every column. So my next table is, I am writing here in the down, what I am going to do is, here this column minimum is 25, so subtract 25 from each and every entry, that is 27 minus 25. So my entries, let me write with another color. So here this 25 minus 27 minus 25, it is 2. Then 28 minus 25, so it is 3. Then 28 minus 25, so it is 3. 27 minus 25, so 2. 25 minus 25, so 0. 26 minus 25, so 1. So the first column we have done that, subtracted each and every entries. Then now for the second column, here minimum is 20. So subtracting 20 from each and every entry. So 23 minus 20, so it is 3. 27 minus 20, so it is 7. 26 minus 20, so it is 25 minus 20, so it is 5. 20 minus 20, so 0. 21 minus 20, so 1. Now in this column minimum is 21. So subtracting 21 from each and every term, here 22 minus 21, so 1. 21 minus 21, so 0. 24 minus 21, so 3. 21 minus 21, so 0. 23 minus 21, so 2. 21 minus 21, so 0. Now in this column minimum is 24. So subtracting 24 from each and every term, here we are having 24 minus 24, so 0. 26 minus 24, so 22. 25 minus 24, so 1. 24 minus 24, so 0. 26 minus 24, so 2. 24 minus 24, so 0. Now in this column minimum is 24. Subtracting 24 from each and every term, we are having 27 minus 24. Sorry, 27 minus 24, so 4 minus 24, 0. 28 minus 24, so 4. 24 minus 24, so 0. 26 minus 24, 2. 27 minus 24, 3. Now here everywhere is 0, so subtracting 0 from each and every term, we are having everywhere 0. Now we have to start selecting zeros which are unique in their row or column. So I am starting from this column. See, if you start for the rows, here you are having 2 0. Here also you are having 2 0. Here you are having 1 0. So you can start with this. Or you are having this 0 alone. So you can start with this. Or you can start with this. Or anywhere else is everywhere you are getting multiple zeros. Here 4, here 3, here 3. Okay, so you can start with either this 0 or this 0. Let's start with this 0. You can start with any, okay? Since I have selected this 0, this is unique in this row. I have to cross corresponding all zeros the column. So this column is a cancelled column, that is suppressed column. Now think about rows or column having unique zeros. So now you can select for this column, this is unique. So I am selecting this. In that way, this is cancelled and I am suppressing this row. Now think about unique 0. So here this is in this row, now only this is 0, okay, because this is already cancelled. This is 0 unique. So I am cancelling the corresponding columns. 0. Column is suppressed. Now here in this row, this is unique because these two zeros are already cancelled. So I am selecting this 0. So this and this is cancelled. This is my new this line, sorry, this column is cancelled, suppressed. Now in this row, this is unique, so I am selecting this 0 and this is cancelled. So I am drawing this line. Okay. Now what are the remained cells which are not affected right now till now? These so they are not suppressed. Which are the columns which are having cross? So here, 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 and here you are having cross. So from this green cell, you have to select the minimum. Minimum is here 1. You have to select 1. Subtract 1 from this green cell, add 1 to this yellow cell. As you know that at crossed cells, you have to plus, and at non-crossed cells, which are not going to be anywhere affected, there you have to subtract. Okay, so here in 2 minus 1, so it is 1. 3 minus 1, so 2. 3 minus 1, 2, 7 minus 1, 6, 3 minus 1, 2, 6 minus 1, 5, 2 minus 1, 1, 5 minus 1, 4, 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. And these are crossed cells, so there you have to add. So here 2 plus 1, 3, plus 1, 3, plus 1, 3, 1, 0 plus 1, that is 1. Now the other cells are as it is, so here 0, 0, here also 0, 0, 3, 0, here 1, 0, 3, 0, here also 0, 1, 4, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so this is from this, the equivalent problem was this, from this the equivalent problem is. Now again, you have to continue to selecting their rows, zeros which are alone in their row or column. So here we are having in this column 2 0, in this column also 2 0, in this column 3 0, 3 0, 2 0 and multiple zeros. So not selecting. Here you are having 2 zeros, 3 zeros. Here you are having one unique zero. So select that zero. Cancel the remaining zeros. While doing this cancellation, only I am done now suppressing. Okay, so you can relate that this is done. Because while writing next table, we will have affection. Will not able to see that what is written. Okay, now since this is cancelled in this row, this is unique zero, so I am selecting this. So cancelling this zero and this zero, and drawing this horizontal line on the column. Sorry. Okay. Means suppressing this line, vertical line. Okay. And now select row or column having only one zero. So here you are having two zeros. Here you are having two zeros. Here you are having multiple zeros. In this column 2, here also 3, and here also 2. We are having no column or row having unique 0. Then you go for any of the row or column having two zeros. So you are having one choice. I am now doing the choices. Okay. So you can select this 0. In that case, you have to cancel this and this 0. Then you have to select this, because now in this column this is the unique one, and also this is also cancelled because this 0 is selected, so this is also going to be cancelled. Okay, now so that is the one choice, and for that you can select this and this. So this and this 0 is cancelled. That is your one choice. Or you can do the another way. Let me copy this so you can relate yourself that another thing I am still doing the same problem. I am removing actions. You are having now. This was our first choice. Okay. Let me select this so you can see that. Previously, we have selected this 0. Now, instead of selecting that, I am selecting this 0. Then this 0 and this 0 is cancelled. This is already cancelled, so I am selecting this 0. So this is going to be cancelled. Now again I am copying this method. So 0, I am selecting this 0, and this 0 is cancelled, and this 0. This is your first solution. This is our second solution. Now let me write another one. Okay. So if we continue with this previous choice here this way, this 0, cancelling this and keeping this 0. Then also here you can select this 0, cancel this 0, this 0, this 0 and select this 0. That is another choice. So this can be considered as your third solution. And here, fourth situation, that I am selecting this 0 itself, cancelling this 0 and this 0. So now here this is the unique one. So I am selecting this and this is going to be cancelled. And here I am selecting this 0 and this 2 cancels and this is. You are having multiple solutions also in this unbalanced problem. That is, you are having 4 solutions. Okay. So for each and every case, if you will think, means calculate the assignment cost, then it will be same. Let's check it out. So this was our first situation that says that which job is assigned to which one and which employee is not going to be work. So J1, J2, J3, J4 and P1, P2, P3, P5. So here 1, J4, J5, J person 1, person 2, person 3, 4, person 5, person 6. Since J6 is dummy, so we will not actually allocate the corresponding person, that is P3 will be not in work. So P1 will go to the work job number J4, P2 will work for job number J3, P4 will work for job number 5, 5 will work for job number 1, P6 will work for job number 2. Now here from this, if you calculate the assignment cost, here are the person, here are the jobs and corresponding cost, that is salary, what they are giving. So P1 to J4, the cost was 24, to J4, and P2 to J3, 2 to J3, that is 21, the cost is 21, 4 to J5, 4 to J5, that is 24, here cost is 24, P5 to J1, 5 to J1, 25, corresponding cost is 5, and lastly P6 to J2, that cost is 21. Okay, so what is the sum? That is 4 plus 1, 5, 4 plus 1, 5, so 10 plus 5, so 15, plus 1, that is 2 plus 1 plus 1, 5, plus 6, so 11, 1, 1, 5. That is the cost in solution number 1. Instead of that, if you go for the solution number 2, let's check that what is corresponding cost. Okay. So here, first of all, what are the assignments? That is, let me write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are J's and these are P. So person, job. So person 1 is going for job number 4, person 2 is going for job number 5, person 3 not coming, person 4 is coming for job number 3, person 5 is coming for job number 1, and person 6 is going for job number 2. So what are the costs? there are corresponding costs 1 to 4. Here 1 to 4 is 24, so that is directly 24. 2 to 5, 2 to job number 5, that is 24, so cost is again 24. Job number 4, person 4 to job 3, person 4 to job 3, that is 21, here it is 21. Person 5 to job 1, person 5 to job 1, that is 25. Person 6 to job 2, that is 21. So, if you relate situation as with previous, then this 24 is here, this 24 is here, this 25 is here, this 21 is here, and this 21 is also here. The total sum will be same, that is 115. Okay, so you have seen in this situation that person is not getting job. Why? Because the problem is unbalanced. Okay, so this type of situation happens when your problem is unbalanced. And what we have seen that whenever problem is unbalanced, add the dummy row or column so that the number of column and number of row becomes same. And then if you have added column, then there is no need to select the minimum from row and subtract. Only you have to perform the operation for column and then start solving by appropriate that selecting zeros. If at any stage you are having a choice that you can see there is no only one zero in each and every row or column, you are having multiple options, then you are having a choice that which zero is to be selected. Corresponding to that, you are having multiple solutions. See here, we have calculated cost for the solution number 1 and solution number 2, and cost is 115. That is, both are casing, in both the cases we are getting the same. If you think about the solution 3 and 4, let me write actually what is allocations. Okay, in solution number 3, job, person, and cost. I am not writing cost, you calculate yourself, but which job is assigned to which one, that is I am writing. So job number, sorry, let me write person 1, 2, 3. 3 is not going to get job, so anyhow that is 4, 5, and 6. So person 1 is going for job number 4, person 2 is going for job number 3, person 4 is going for job number 5, person 5 is for 2, and person 6 is for 1 in solution number 6. And if you will write the cost, that will also add up to the 115 in the solution of answer number 4. Solution 4, there also person, job, and cost. I will not write the cost, but if you will think that it will be sum to be 115, person 1, 2, 3 is not getting 4, 5, and 6. 1 is getting job number 4, 2 is getting job number 5, 4 is getting job number 3. Here it will be 2 and here it will be 1. Okay. So these are 4 multiple solutions, and you could get that how to reach to the multiple solutions. So try similar such problems at home, and I hope that you are able to solve such problems. Stay at home and stay safe. Thank you.